Now I am going to start the topic organizing process. Organizing process has these steps. Now the steps in the organizing process, there are 4 steps. Number 1 step is identification and division of work. This is the first step. Next step is departmentation. Third step is assignment of duties. And the fourth step is establishing, reporting, relationships. Now I am going to discuss about organizing process, and there are 4 steps to this process. The very first step is identification and division of work. In organizing, the identification of total work is to be done so that each person gets a separate and distinct task. This step helps in promoting specialization and systematic working in the organization. Next step in this process is departmentation. It is also called grouping of work. All the similar activities are now grouped into one department. Suppose the activities are like they are they are on the basis of production or sales or marketing. So all the activities of one particular function will be grouped into one department, which is called departmentation. So this process is called departmentation. This grouping can be done on the basis of products. When there are different products, then different departments can be made. It can be done on the basis of functions like production, sales, marketing, advertising. So on the basis of functions also departmentation can be done, or on the basis of customers. Now the third step is assignment of duties. So in this step, the work is to be allocated to different employees. Whoever is working in the organization, the work has to be assigned, and duties should be assigned on the basis of knowledge of that individual, his experience and his qualification. So this should be these 3 things which should be considered at the time of assignment of duties. And the last step in organizing process is establishing, reporting, relationships. After assigning duties, authority and responsibility associated with each job should be clearly defined. Means everybody should know who is the subordinate and the one who is the superior and whom they have to report. So there should be clear definition of authority and responsibility relationships so that organizing process is completed smoothly.